വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു എഡ്യു ലേണിംഗ് പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് IR സ്പെക്ട്രോസ്കോപ്പിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ഫോർ സയൻറ്റിഫിക് അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ആസ് വെൽ ആസ് സെറ്റ് കെമിസ്ട്രി, കേട്ടഡ് physical science. IR spectroscopy means what? Infrared spectroscopy or vibrational spectroscopy is the measurement of interaction of infrared radiation with matter by absorption, emission or reflection. It is used to study the identical chemical molecules. Infrared spectroscopy exploits the fact that molecules absorb frequencies that are characteristics of their structure. These absorptions occur at resonant frequencies, that is, frequencies of the absorbed radiation matches the vibrational frequency. The energies are attached by the shape. Look at this bromomethane 3D animation of symmetric stretching of CH bond. You can see in that picture. And the most important topic is number of vibrational modes. If the molecule is linear or non-linear, it differs. Look at 3n minus 5 degree of vibrational modes in the linear molecule and 3n minus 6 degree of vibrational modes in the non-linear molecules. Simple diatomic molecules have only one bond and only one vibrational band. If the molecule is symmetrical, example that is nitrogen, the band is not observed in the IR spectrum but only on the Raman spectrum. The atom in the CH2H2 group commonly found in organic compounds, and where H can represent any other atom, can vibrate in 9 different ways. That is, rocking, walking, twisting modes do not exist because this type of motion of hydrogen atom represents simple motion. So, as antisymmetric, stretching, scissoring, rocking, walking, and twisting are the types of vibrations. Structure that do not. Infrared spectrophotometer. It's a method of technique of infrared spectroscopy is conducted with an instrument called an infrared spectrometer. An IR spectrum can be visualized in a gram of infrared light absorbance on the and importance of IR spectroscopy. Typical units of frequency used in IR spectra are reciprocal centimeters with a simple centimeter inverse. Unit of IR wavelength are commonly given in micrometers, microns, which are related to wave numbers in reciprocal way. A common laboratory instrument that uses the technique is called Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer, FTIR. The unit of frequency used in IR spectrum is centimeter inverse. Infrared portion of electromagnetic spectrum. It is infrared portion of electromagnetic spectrum is usually divided into 3 regions, that is near, mid and far infrared, namely for their relation to the visible spectrum. Higher energy near IR approximately is 40,000 to 4,000 centimeter inverse, and mid infrared approximately 4,000 to 400 centimeter inverse, and it is used by the fundamental vibration and associated vibrational structure. In far infrared approximately is 400 to 10 centimeter inverse. Region from 2 to 130 centimeter inverse broadening the microwave region is considered the terahertz region and may probe intermolecular vibrations. The name and classification of these subregions are conventions and are only loosely based on the relative molecular and application of IR spectroscopy. That is, infrared spectroscopy is mainly used in the food industry to measure the concentration of various compounds in different food products. Instruments are now small and can be transported even for use in field trials. Infrared spectroscopy is also used in gas leak detection devices such as DPIR and I protein characterization, nanoscale semiconductor analysis, space exploration, analysis of gaseous, liquid, and solid sample, identification of compound, informative regarding of functional group of molecules and constitution of molecule can be detected in IR spectrum. So these are the functions of IR spectroscopy. Protein characterization, which spectroscopy is used means definitely it is IR spectroscopy. And nanoscale semiconductor analysis, space exploration, analysis of gaseous and liquid or solid samples, identification of compounds, informative regarding functional group of molecules and constitution of molecule can be detected in IR spectrum. So these are the main functions, and according to the IR spectroscopy is considered main parts in IR spectrophotometry is radiation source, sample cell, sampling of substances, monochromators, detectors, and which all type of source of IR radiation. Various source of IR radiation is nest globe, incandescent lamp, and detectors used in UR spectroscopy, that is infrared radiation. The main detectors are thermal and photonic. Thermal effects of the thermal and photonics are the two types of detectors used. Thermocouples. So prototype of high-speed infrared detector installed on the pointer instrument can be seen. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Edge Learning platform for more exam tips.